Okay guys, you're welcome to this video on how to do. In today's video, we'll be guiding us on how to fix sound problem on Infinix Hot 10. It's very simple guys. I'll be covering two important tips in this video to fix your sound problem on Infinix Hot 10. This might work for other Infinix. First of all, go and tap on the setting button. Now scroll up until you see sound and vibration. Tap on sound and vibration. Now you see all this sound system here. The volume, make sure it is up to the level you want. The core volume as well, the alarm, as well the ring volume, make it to level you want. Then the notification, you can as well add it to where you want it. Now tap back. That will have solved this problem. Now if you try it and the problem does not solved, then let's go into the second step. But guys, before we go into the second step, if you are new to this channel, how to do, can you subscribe to this channel guys? Tap the notification icon and select all. So as well, go ahead and tap on the settings button. Then scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down until you get to system. Tap on system. This might be a bit different. Then locate and tap on system update. Now tap on system update. This is also tap on personal. Now you have it here. Tap on online update. Then tap on continue. So now you can see that system is up to date. If your system is not up to date, tap on the check for update. This may take a little while. Just wait for it to complete. Now system is up to date. Then that is okay. That has been done. Then tap on the back button. Then come over out of this place. Now go ahead and tap and restart your phone. So tap on the restart button to restart your phone. Then that should fix the problem. If you do enjoy this tip, if you have not subscribed to this channel, how to do? Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel guys. Tap the notification bell so that you're notified when we drop another important tips on this channel. Thank you.